Hello learners, I am very excited to begin with our first module of this course. I hope you too are excited. The name of that module is Digital Marketing and its Significance. After the completion of this module, you will be able to learn digital marketing scenario in India, to explain the concept of digital marketing, and to understand the domain of digital marketing in India. And lastly, you will be able to explain that what is the significance of digital marketing. I have divided this video into two parts. In the first part, I will cover the recent developments in the digital area pertaining to India. In the second part, we will try to explain that what is the meaning of digital marketing and the more detail about digital marketing. Don't you think that internet and mobile phones are changing our lives in a very surprising ways? Let us look at few statistics. There is one report published by Google and BCG in the year of 2018. According to this report, the number of internet users in India was 239 million. And within just 4 years, this number has increased to 430 million users. And if we look at the growth rate, this growth is almost the double of internet users which we had in the year of 2013. It shows that the growth of internet user in India is exponential. We are the second largest country in the world as far as number of internet users are concerned. The Cisco Visuals has further projected that by the 2021, 60% of Indian population will be using the internet. Such a promising growth of internet user in India has given multiple opportunities to the businesses. Now, the businesses have started leveraging the power of internet in every domain of business, be it a finance, marketing, human resource development, or the operations. Let us look at another statistics. This statistics is related to the smartphones user in India. The number of smartphones user in India in the year of 2013 were just 68 million, and it increased to 320 million in the year of 2017. The surprising thing is that during this short period, this number has increased the 5 times of the basis that was in the 2013. Such a high growth in smartphones user in India may be attributed to many factors. But the most prominent factor in this case is declining prices of mobile phones. In the year of 2011, the average price of mobile phone was $250 and it declined to $120 in the year of 2017. It has been observed in various reports that mobile phones are becoming the first preference for accessing the internet, surpassing computers and laptops. What are the implications of this? It has resulted in huge data unlock. As a result, we have started consuming more and more data, and the reasons are many. The declining prices of per GB data has fueled the growth of data unlock. You can see it in the graph that the tariff for GB data as percentage of GNI per capita has declined from 2.6 to 0.59. The increased number of mobile phones users, the declining data prices as a result of stiff competition, and the introduction of millions of mobile apps has really empowered the today's consumer. Today, he has everything on his fingertips. He can book a cab, watch a movie, access his bank account, and pay the bill. And other than this, he can do many more things with just one tap on the screen. Let us talk about another development in the digital world. I hope all of you must be using at least one of the social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. In reality, nowadays we are becoming more social. According to the report of Statista, in India, YouTube and Facebook are the most popular social media platforms with 30% penetration each. It is followed by the Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. You must be wondering why I am discussing all these fancy figures and statistics. Actually, I am trying to present a view of ecosystem under which digital marketing operates. In the next part of this video, I will talk about the concept of digital marketing. I hope you will enjoy it.